Hello, welcome again to Enhance Your Word Power. Now we'll start session 10. In session 8 and 9, we learned some word about mind, tooth, measurement, and bones and pits. So now the next topic is writer and writing, and we will discuss the root words and original words and related words. So the root word for writers and writing is your graphian. Graphian means to write. So this is a Greek word, and from this many words can be formed. So first word is for graphologist. So that consists of two words, that is graphian and logos. Graphian means write and logos means science. So that is a person who analyzes your handwriting, and its specialty is graphology, and the adjective is graphology. Okay. So the next word that can be formed from graphian is choreographer. So that word also consists of two words, that is graphian and chiro. So graphian means write and chiro means hand. So that is your handwriting. So that is not commonly used word. Okay. And its adjective is choreography. The commonly used word is calligraphy. Calligraphy also consists of two words, kalos and graphian. Kalos means beauty and graphian means writing. So it is beautiful writing or beautiful handwriting. So when we don't make use of hand, so it will be called as beautiful writing, like in printing, okay, and in computer. So that is your beautiful writing. So calligrapher is the person who print our cards, place, make announcement in written form. So he provide very good writing or beautiful writing. So that is the person is used for who is called for printing your cards, making announcement in written form, like that. And calligraphic is its adjective. So calligraphy is the word for beautiful handwriting. So there must be some word for bad handwriting. So that is cacography. So caco means bad, okay, or harsh, and graphy means writing. So it is bad handwriting. Okay. So now we have one root word, that is Kelly. So Kelly is also used in Fijian, with Fijian. So Fijian means buttock and Kelos means beauty. So the man or woman who possess beautiful or shapely buttock is Kelly Fijian. Now from this graphian we have formed word graphologist, analyzes your handwriting, choreographer, handwriting, and choreography, handwriting, sorry, choreography is handwriting, that is handwriter, and calligraphy, beautiful handwriting, calligrapher, the person who is called to print your cards, places, or in written form or in printed form. Calligraphic is adjective and cacography is bad handwriting. And Kelly Pigeon is the man or woman who possess beautiful shaped button. And now some other word can be from this graphian. One is first is your cardiograph, that is your heart writer. Cardio means heart. Next is your photograph. Photo means light. Next is phonograph. Phono means sound. Next is telegraph, that is your tele means distance. Next is biography. Bio means life, that is life writing. Distance writer, telegraph. Phonograph is sound writer. Photograph is written by light, and cardiograph is heart writer. Okay. So these are the word about writing. So now next topic is aging and the old. So now the word used for age specialist in aging, in medical care of aging or aged person is geriatrician. Geriatrician. So that gerais is the word for old, and Asian is for us. So that person who specializes medical care of elderly is geriatrician. Geriatrician. Okay. So now this is the medical care. Other care is also required for all, like retirement, pension, Okay, who does that these things is called gerontologist. That is that word also is having gera as root word in it. So gerontologist is the person uh, who study the problems of age. It can be medical problem, it can be other problem also. Okay. So gerontology is the science or specialty. Gerontological is the other sector. Okay. Now three word, uh, sorry, four word: geriatrician, gerontologist, gerontology, gerontology. Okay. So these are from Greek. So now the word for old in Latin is senex. Now from this senex, the word can be formed is first is your senile. Senile is showing the sign of physical or mental deterioration that marks very old age. So it is showing of signs of getting old age. That is senile, and its noun is senility. Next word is senescent. So that is aging and growing old. Not sign. It is actually aging and growing old. So uh, here scent means growing or becoming. So this scent can be used with adolescent. That is that means growing into old, into adult. Sorry, adolescent means adult. And next is convalescent. So that is growing healthy again. Next is obsolete, obsolescent. That is growing or becoming obsolete. Obsolete. And scent means growing or becoming. The word, sorry, noun for this sentient is sentient. Senior, all you know, that is older person. And senate is the, it was a council made for older, but now it is used for wise or citizen, senior citizen. So senate, senate is the word.